Sasakay naman dyan, guys. Sa train na yan. Ayan si Ugo. Yan, sasakay kami dyan. Step. Ayan si Ugo, sasakay din. Doon? Puno doon. Ay, doon mas maluwag doon.
Oh, mommy.
Ay, dami. Ayan, dyan kami. Dyan kami. Dito kami. Ay, doon. Ako sa dulo. Ayan. Sasakay kami. Saan ba kami pupunta, guys? Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta sumakay kami ng tren. Yan si Ugo. Ayan. Hi, Ugo! Where are you going, Ugo? Ugo! Ito naman si Palaka tayo. Ang dami dito mga sakyan, guys. Oh. Ilibot kami dyan. Ang haba ng tren. Siyempre, tren. Kaya mahaba. O nga naman, ano. Siyaga. May dala-dala kaming stroller ni Hugo. Ayun.
To the state park. Just let passengers know, in celebration of our 20th year here in downtown Jim Thorpe, in Coach 450, the coach behind the engine, we have debuting the King Cole Cafe.
So you guys need some cash above?
Pinakausap niya si Hugo. Matutuwa siya kay Hugo. Umaakit pa, guys. Konti pa lang kasi. Konti pa lang yung tao. Ayan. Pero sa unahan, puno na. Ang dumadating. Ayan. Tap ng buhay ni Hugo. Nandun siya kay Papa Error niya.
Freight train. When we get underway, please have your tickets ready. Your car host will be moving through the cars to punch tickets. The town of Jim Thorpe has a rich history that dates back centuries to when the town was known as Mock Chunk. If you look across the river on your running right, through the trees, the mountain over there, that's Mock Chunk. That's what they named the town after. Park.
Umaandar na kami. Tingin niya tayo yung ticket. Ay, kinukuha yung ticket. Eh, kasi... Oo, dalawa lang yan.
down to Bristol, Pennsylvania, along the Delaware River just east of Philadelphia. During the summer months, thousands of visitors can be seen enjoying the trail. When you're on the trail, however, be diligent because a variety of snakes in the 20th century could come here and enjoy horse and carriage rides. The only way here the Lehigh River, and kayakers enjoy trips down the Lehigh. The name Lehigh comes from,
Ini-explain niya guys.
You'll be able to
yung
see a
mga
treetop
dinadaanan
level.
namin.
looks like a footbridge, but it was also an oil pipeline. Miles away
Naninilaw na
from
yung
Reading
mga
Terminal
puno, yung
in
mga dahon
Philadelphia.
malalagas na kasi
That's
sila.
milepost
Napakadaming
0.0.
puno sa Amerika. Ayan.
Reading Terminal in
Dito
Philadelphia.
kami guys, sa Pennsylvania. Namamasyal kami palibot-libot. Nakasakay sa tren. Doon sa ilalim. Ayan, may ilog siya. Stewardess dito. Pwede ako mag-order kung anong gusto mo. Ayan guys, may ilog dyan. Ayan. May ilog sa ilalim. Ayun. Masyadong nakikita. Ayan. 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 May ilog rin pala dito.